Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to text mask in Capcut. First, open your Capcut project and add your desired video clip to the timeline. Next, navigate to the Text tab and select Add Text to create a new text layer. Type your desired word or phrase, then adjust its font, size, and position on the screen to your liking. Ensure the text is clearly visible against your video background for the best masking effect. Now, duplicate your main video clip and place the text layer directly between the two video layers on your timeline. Select the top video layer. In the right-hand panel, find the mask option. Choose a mask shape that best fits your text, such as rectangle or heart. Adjust the mask's size and position to perfectly cover your text, ensuring the video shows through the letters. To refine your mask, use the feather slider to soften the edges of the mask, creating a smoother transition. You can also add keyframes to the mask's position to make it move with your text or video. Experiment with different text animations from Capcut's library to give your masked text a dynamic entry or exit. This adds a professional touch to your final edit. Once you're happy with your text mask effect, it's time to export your project. Click the Export button, choose your desired resolution and frame rate, then save your video. Share your awesome creation with friends and on social media. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different masking techniques. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.